Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Home Chef account to ensure it's set up correctly for meal kit deliveries, follow these quick steps to check your account status. Step 1. Open the Home Chef app on your mobile device or visit homechef.com in your web browser. Sign in using your email address and password. Step 2. After logging in, tap on your account icon or name in the top corner. Select Account Settings or My Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Review your personal information including your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure all contact details are accurate for communication and delivery. Step 4. Navigate to delivery information or shipping address and verify that your delivery address is correct. This ensures your meals will arrive at the right location. Step 5. Check your subscription status in the Plan or Subscription section. You should see details about your meal plan, number of servings, and delivery frequency. Step 6. Verify your payment information by clicking on Billing or Payment Method. Ensure your credit card or payment details are current and will work for upcoming orders. Step 7. Look in your email inbox for a verification email from Home Chef if you recently created your account. Click any verification links to confirm your email address. Once everything is verified and correct, your account is ready to receive deliveries, and you can customize your weekly meal selections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.